Today, we're diving into the world of nutritious and delicious lunch recipes tailored for diabetic patients. If you or someone you know is managing diabetes, these recipes are not only tasty but also diabetes-friendly. Segment 1. Quick and easy diabetic-friendly salad. Our first recipe is a vibrant and satisfying salad. Start with a base of leafy greens like spinach or kale. Add colorful veggies like bell peppers and cherry tomatoes. Opt for lean proteins such as grilled chicken or tofu. Top it off with a light vinaigrette for a refreshing and low-carb option. Segment 2. Grilled salmon with vegetables. Next up, we have a heart-healthy grilled salmon with a medley of roasted vegetables. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which is great for heart health. Combine it with oven-roasted veggies like zucchini, bell peppers, and asparagus for a wholesome, diabetes-friendly meal. Segment 3. Cauliflower rice stir-fry. For a low-carb alternative to traditional rice, try cauliflower rice. In our stir-fry recipe, we'll use cauliflower rice as a base and toss in colorful vegetables and lean protein. This dish is not only delicious but also helps manage blood sugar levels effectively. Closing. There you have it, folks, 3 quick and diabetes-friendly lunch recipes. Remember, it's important to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods to keep your blood sugar in check. If you found these recipes helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.